Well, hello, hello. This is Rosa, rcgkreations. How are you doing? I'm bringing to you a Did You Know video. Let me turn my camera over. I saw this moving around on YouTube, and let me be honest with you, I didn't pay attention to it, and I guess I should have, but I haven't. You know how dirty your trash can gets? Just from sitting around. Let me bring you up close. So you can actually see that. You see that? See how dirty that is? All four sides of it. And as you can see, there's still trash in it. I just have it sitting here on my kitchen table, but I'm going to clean my table afterwards. After I'm all said and done. Okay, so on this part, an easy way to clean it, which really doesn't take a whole lot of effort. You get an old, used up dryer sheet. And I'm just going to fold it just to give myself some room. Any shaving cream of your choice. This is just what hubby has. I swiped it from his closet, but don't tell him, okay? Okay. Oh, this is kind of a jelly kind. Alrighty. And you're just going to lather it. And it's okay that it's on the table because I got to wipe the table down anyway from the dirty trash can. So I'm only going to do one side. I'm actually going to do 3 sides because there's a whole bunch of cream here. Yeah. I've actually never done this myself. I've just seen it done. And all it is you're wiping it. And you can tell some of this stuff has been on here for quite a while because I haven't cleaned this since we got the trash can, which was probably, what, maybe 5 years ago? So I'm going to let that soak just a bit. You only let it soak for just a minute. And then anything that's really crusty, and I'm just using my fingernail to get the little crusties off. You can see down there in the bottom how it's got the extra foam that fell to the bottom. Sorry about the move there. And I'm just going to let that soak. This is kind of a messy job, but that's okay. And I'm just using my fingernail to scrape any little. I'm going to see how much of this comes off that paper. The little sticker that tells you this is a Sterlite 44 quart trash can. Okay. So there's still a bunch of foam on here, but I think I'm good to go. Now, I'm going to get my wet towel and I'm going to wipe it down. All you're doing is taking off the cream. I need to go wash my other hand, but I want you to see the main gist of an easy way to clean an item. And the simple fact is you can go to the dollar store and get the dollar shaving cream. Don't use the expensive stuff. But I saw this and it was like, this has to be a Did You Know video. And then look. And I'm one-handed here, so bear with me. I need to go wash my hand. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and wash it. I'll be right back. I'm going to pause it. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I washed my hands. And I went ahead and got another clean towel, wet, because I know we need to use it. Okay. So now, I'm just wiping it down. And you see the little spot right there? And you see the little spot right there? I'm just very lightly scraping it, and it comes right off. Because these are not really set in stains, it's just splatter from just life in general. And you get your other clean towel and wipe it up. Look at that. Now to get on this one, which this was that sticker, look at that. So that did a pretty darn good job. I'll finish it all up and do it. So, but I want you to see, here's the dirty part I haven't done, and there's the clean part. And see how clean that got? And I'll bring you back when I do the whole thing, and then I'll show you what the whole result looks like. Be right back. Okay, we're back. And it only just took a couple more swipes, but I wanted to show you. Let me move my camera here just a little bit. Okay, so there it is all the way to the bottom. And there's the other side, all the way to the bottom. And the other side. And it's nice and clean. And then there's the stained area, all the way to the bottom. And like you see, my table is clean. All the shaving cream came out. Sorry for that moving. Okay. But let me turn my camera around. So, an easy way to clean, and you don't even have to empty your trash can, the outside of your trash can. And this is going to go in the garbage, which is that one already recycled dryer sheet. And you can use any shaving cream of your choice. The cheapest ones works just as well as the more expensive one, so it's totally up to you. This is really not overly expensive, but it's definitely not a cheap one. Okay, so an easy way to clean your plastic containers, and you can, of course, you can always get some spray, some cleaner in a towel, do the same thing. You know, use Mr. Clean sponge thing, that'll work too. But I didn't even have to do any scrubbing. I just put the shaving cream on there and I let it sit on all four sides. Then when I went back to wipe it off with my clean wet cloth, it come right off. You know, there's a couple of them, yeah, that I did scrape with my nail through the cloth. Those little stubborn stains. But other than that, a little bit of elbow grease, and that's all it took. So anyway, that is my take on another way to clean some household products with stuff that you already have in your house, and don't go out and buy new stuff. Okay? And if you can, just go to the dollar store, go to the 99-cent store, or if you see a special or shaving cream is on sale, buy you 2 cans. Because it didn't take a whole lot to do this. So probably even just 1 can will probably last you like 2 years. You know, anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And look in my description box for some other items that you can do to help provide my channel and let my channel grow. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.